Marian, I think she needs a little bit more of training in her midsection. Her body is so frail and small. I think she has to build up more vocal muscles, not only here in her throat and her nasal cavities, but also in her body. The demand of the songs that she chooses sometimes can be beyond. Siyempre, meron preference at her age kasi ito yung magandang songs talaga, uso ngayon. And minsan, also the right song choice that will also babagay dun sa boses niya. I feel she still has more room, a lot of room to improve. If she really does and work hard more, she has a great chance.
And congratulations na rin, Marian. Thank you so much.
Disappointed pa rin po ako sa naging performance ko dahil alam kong I can do better. Kagabi po kasi, wala po talaga akong boses. Habang tulog ako, ubo lang ako ng ubo. Sa susunod po, ipapakita ko na talaga yung best ng boses ko sa tamang panahon.